Good day guys, so show ko lang sa inyo isang account natin. This is on $62,000 right now, sitting 62. Ang deposit ko dito is $58,000. Nakapag-withdraw na tayo ng $31,500 and nag-profit na tayo dito ng net profit ng almost $36,000. So let's go and have a recap starting this 15 April. Ano yung mga entries ko at ano yung mga losses ko so you guys can learn. So the first trade that I took this 15 April was this one lot trade. One lot trade over here, and I close over here for around $361 win. Okay, moving on. The next trade is going to be a buy that I lost. All right, so I profited or net profit of $1,000 US. I lost 2% over here, or maybe 1%. $1,000 on a $60,000 account is around 1 to 2%. Okay, so I sold here and nag-profit naman ako ng 240. So I bought here, and then lose ako, nag-3 lots ako, and nakabawi tayo ng $240. As you can see the screen. Next trade, looked like gold is going down, so I went big with 3 lots right here, and I closed it right here. So, profit dyan, nakalagay $4,794 on this trade alone. And after that, I did not trade this account for a few days. Ay, meron pala dito. So, I bought 1 lot here, and I close over here for around $881. Siyempre, pwede ko pang ma-capture yon, but you know, malay ko ba ako magre-reverse or magko-continue. So I close right there with $881. Let's move on. 16th of April, I bought here. Right? I bought 1 lot here because this candle broke the resistance here, and I thought that the price would continue going up. Alright? So I bought there. I thought the price would push up. It was a fake out, and I lost around $1,100. Right? Again, I sold 2 lots naman there, and I lost another $1,100. Okay? Now, after that, I bought 2.5 lot, and I closed at around $120. So medyo lugi tayo dito. Then, bumawi tayo because here, I sold 2.5 lots, and I closed there for $1,332. So this kind of consolidation was kind of a heart of gold, but always make sure lang na may stop loss kayo. So I lost here, nakabawi dito, and then nakabawi tayo dito. I sold here at 2.5 lot, and I closed at $1,332. Next, I did not trade this up move sa account na to. Dun sa kabilang account, possibly. Okay, now let's move on. I sold here 1.5 lot, and we gain around dalawang sell to. I think nag-hedge ako dito and na-close tayo, so almost small profit. And then I sold 2 lots here and made around, hindi pinapakita, profit 322, right there. Okay, so I sold 1 lot, basta nag-profit tayo dito sa area na to, 332. Okay, next trade, I bought 2.5 lot and natalo agad tayo. This candle broke the resistance. I took a buy, hit my stop loss immediately. So I have a very, very tight stop loss dito sa area na to. So immediately, you know, I lost the trade, and that's it. Okay? And then, I bought here, and then nahit na lang yung stop loss ko. So I bought there and lost another $555. Bumawi tayo sa susunod. Okay? I sold 2.5 lots of gold and closed here at $1,000. So, ganun talaga, you know. You cannot be perfect. Okay? And then after that, consolidation. And then, this candle broke the resistance. I quickly took a buy of 1 lot and I profit there $884, as you can see on the screen. So, you buy, I bought here and I closed here for $184. Alright? And then after that, when this candle broke this support, I took the sell of 1 lot and closed for around $236. Now, I sold here again of 1 lot when this candle was printing really bearish. Sadly, $12 lang kinita dyan because it went into profit. Nilagay ko yung SL ko sa break even, and it hit, and then it went down. So yes, I could have captured this move, but it hit my break even point, and that's it. Okay? So again, next trade, I sold 1 lot there and immediately closed at profit 58. Hindi ko na hold. Could have made all of that, but ganun talaga. Okay? By 0.5 lot here, and I lost $137. Okay? When this was pushing up, na FOMO ko, I bought there, immediately hit my tight stop loss, and I lost $137. Okay? And then, let's see. I bought here, and I lost $408 here. Okay, for some reason, this candle, I bought here, it went down, and it went into my direction. Okay? So, nag-profit naman pala tayo dito ng 90. Nag-buy pala ako dito, and then, na nagpo-push up, nilagay ko yung SL ko in profit, candle went down, and I took a break even. Okay? Next trade, I bought 2.5 lot, and I closed $247. I bought again, and I lost. Bought around, this one I lost around $152. Okay? I bought again, and I lost $136. So, you can see na maliliit naman yung talo natin, hindi natin binubloat yung mga talo natin. Okay? Next trade, buy of 2 lots. When this candle or this resistance got broken, I bought 2 lots and I closed for a profit of, I don't know how much, $812. Okay? And I bought here again 0.23. 0.23 lot yung EA natin and nag-close tayo doon for a profit of 127. Okay? So that's the deal right there. I sold here and immediately I closed for around, maybe this is $812. I sold 2 lots here and I made $800. Next, no trade over here. No trade over here. Next trade. So tagal kong din-trade sa account na to. Meron akong isang account na hina-handle. I did not catch this move. I did not catch this move. So matagal kong hindi tin-trade itong account to. Let's move on. This candle broke the high of this candle. Okay, no wick, pero it looks like the momentum is going up. So I bought 1 lot and closed for around $263. Okay? And then this 0.2 lot, 0.2 lang tayo, I closed there for a profit of $85. And then when the market was closing, when it going down, I sold 1 lot over here. And then my stop loss was above here during that time. It went to a bit of drawdown and eventually hit my profit for $504. So that again, guys, I don't have the craziest win rate, but as you can see, pwede naman kayo maging profitable sa gold. You just to have dapat yung stop loss nyo, ganun lang, hindi masyadong malaki. You will lose eventually, but you have to keep on, trying to be profitable in gold. Hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to join our Telegram, Discord pala, and I will post the link very soon.